So to do standard form in this one, remember standard form for this book is a vertex form. It's f of x. Oops. Let's use y. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So that's just the form. All right. Do we know any of these letters?
H and K.
We're gonna keep this x and keep the y because it's an equation. So we need to have an a, an h, and a k. Do we know any of these?
H and K.
We know what h is and we know what k is. What is h?
1.
Is 1 and k is
2.
2. You see, this is h and k. It's your vertex. H, k. All right. So when I plug that in, this is what it looks like. It goes y equals. I'm going to leave a blank space for my a, and I have x minus 1 squared plus 2. Is everybody with me?
Yeah.
Now, what do we need? We need an a. But I can't just find an a out of nowhere because we have a problem. We have 1, 2, 3 unknown numbers. Now, if I only had one unknown number, we have a linear equation that we can easily solve. Man, I wish I had an x and a y.
Point.
Do I have an x and a y?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. This guy right here, the point. You could use any point on the line. Now, this problem gives us the points. But if they gave us a graph, and there's a point on there that says 0, 0, and there's another point somewhere else that says, like, I don't know, 3, 7, you can use any points that you want. So you can use this point or you can use this point. Whatever, as long as the point is on the function, is on the line. Okay, but I don't know if those points are actually on the line like that. Actually, I do know that 0, 0 is on the line. So I can plug in 0, 0 right here. So this is what it looks like. You plug in 0 to the y and 0 to the x. I'm going to put a back. E. Okay, now let's solve it. What is 0 minus 1? Negative 1. What is negative 1 squared? 1. What is 1 times a? A. So I have a plus 2 equals 0. A equals? Negative 2. So I plug in a negative 2 right here, and I'm diggity done. Oh, but wait, doesn't it say sketch a graph? It does. It says sketch a graph. So bam, bam. All right, where's my vertex? 1, 2. So I go 1, 1, 2. I put a dot right there. And we know we go downwards, right? We know that we're going to go down like this, but we need to have like, whatchamacallit, another point so we can be more exact. 0, 0. Does it look like we're going to, 0, 0. Oh, it's right there. Boom. Okay, so if that's there, and this is my axis of symmetry, let's use that symmetry to help us find the other point. Right there. Okay. Done. Now, if you wanted to get more exact, what's another number you could pick to plug in?
2.
I would pick negative 1,
Yeah, I was about to say that.
or I would pick 3. Because those would be the next ones. Because I had to plug in one number, and then I could copy that number to the other side of the axis of symmetry.